We are one God people, unitary monotheists, not UUs, not Unitarian Universalists. That's sort of New Age style of theology. We don't do that. But we're calling ourselves biblical Unitarians because Jesus was a biblical Unitarian. We're trying to follow him. And the Amplified Version in Galatians chapter 3 says, God is only one person. Have you got that? God is only one person. Michael Brown argued that one is compound one. I want to tell you and the public out there as broadly as I can that compound one is a fake term, a made-up term. You can look up the word echad in any Hebrew lexicon. You can look up the word one in English. You will never find that it means compound one. That's a falsehood. He invented it. So please be aware of these tricks of the word one, which are absolutely fraudulent. There's no such thing as a compound one or a complex one, either in English or in Hebrew. And Dr. Brown says that English one works like echad in Hebrew, and it does. It's a simple word one. So he's made that up. How do you get away with that kind of falsehood? Please write to the paper or do whatever you can to get people interested in defining one as one God, one single person.